different every single time.
Every time.
Welcome back to our channel. My name is Miyah.
I'm James.
And together we are Jam.
No PB and J.
See, we fixed that from last time. Tell them what we have. Well, not what we have planned, but you know.
Okay, so we're going somewhere. I will tell you guys later. On the way there, she will be blindfolded and she will be listening to music so that she doesn't hear, because I'll be talking to you guys about what we're doing. But so clearly, I'm surprising her. We were going to do it last weekend, but complications, we couldn't do it. So
yeah, last week was my birthday, by the way.
Yeah, so this is basically like
somebody didn't record anything, so
this is basically like a birthday gift, but a belated birthday gift. So there you go. But she will have no idea what it is. You guys will, so I will talk to you guys as we're on the road.
Okay.
You know.
So he'll see you guys then.
All right, y'all. So look, she can't hear me. She's gone. Yeah, I told her to stop singing because she was gonna be loud. But so where we're going is we're going to go horseback riding. Okay, she's wanted to go horseback riding for the longest time. So I was going to take her last weekend Saturday, because her birthday was Friday, but complications, I couldn't get a reservation, and you know, it was too much stuff going on, so you know, we couldn't go. But we're going this weekend. I made a reservation last weekend to, you know, 1 o'clock today, but that's beside the point. So we're going horseback riding at this place called A Stable. So I mean, that's the surprise. That's where we're going. I mean, it's not that big of a surprise, but for her it is, because she's always wanted to go horseback riding. I've never been horseback riding. She's never been horseback riding. Man, that chin hair is pissing me off. Is all on. There we go. But yeah, so neither one of us has been horseback riding. I've wanted to go. Like I said, I've never been. She's never been. She's always wanted to go. So why not? So I mean, and it's not the best weather, but it is what it is.
Don't talk.
I've already told him. So.
Oh, okay. Okay, my music started again.
We'll see y'all there, man.
Don't talk. Don't talk.
That lighting look dope. That motherfucker look right.
What lighting?
The lighting look right.
On me?
Yeah.
Ooh, no.
Who you think I've been recording for the last 15 minutes?
You been recording me, see? I probably sound like shit. Okay, man.
Alright, y'all. We are here. As you can see, got the horses in the back. Okay, A Stable. She still doesn't know. Still doesn't know. I'm about to open up her door.
My music stopped. Oh, never mind.
You can get out the car. Come on. You can take the earbuds.
You told me to keep it in.
No, I was just about to tell you you could keep it. You could take it out.
Can you hold my hand?
Come on. Come on, get out the car.
Okay. You need my bag.
I know. I got your bag. Just give me.
Is it zipped?
No, it's not. Hold it up. Your headphones just dropped. I got it. I just told you I got it. You just don't listen.
I got it.
No, I'm the one that grabbed it and brought it over to your hand. Come on. You messed my angles up. Get up.
I'm scared.
Okay.
I'm scared. I'm trying
Wait. Don't.
try to slaughter me.
Oh, shit.
You got the keys? No.
Almost just locked them bitches in the car.
You wouldn't be able to, because how you gonna lock it?
All right. Take the blindfold off.
Really?
Yeah, you can take it off.
I'm scared.
Take it off.
I'm scared. Okay, I'm gonna still keep my eyes. Give me my other hand.
You don't want to put it around my arm. Come on, you gotta take it off.
Okay, I'm gonna still keep my eyes closed. Does my hair look intact?
Yes, take it off.
It's a horsey! Baby!
Okay, now let me ask you something. Off the rip, what do you think we're doing here? Look at those people over there.
Come on!
You want taking all day. What do you think we're doing here? Yes, we're going to ride a horse.
We forgot the stick. Horses.
Huh? Yes, horses.
Don't get that close.
Okay, we'll see you guys on the horse or a little later. We gotta fill out waivers.
He's very cuddly, especially like in the winter, where you just pick him up and cuddle him, and he's one of our best hunters, so he'll get really like he's already kind of overweight right now, but he'll get really fat.
He's a big old softie.
Oh yeah. Yes. I used to have a cat, but
I love cats.
she never did this.
Stand low. There you go. Put that one on nudge. There you go.
He's scared.
Take a deep breath.
I'm on the horse. This is my horse. Her name is Beanie. What was the question? We're in nature, riding the horse, you know, top notch.
I ain't gonna lie to y'all. This seat is uncomfortable as fuck. My ass is hurting. That's right, and it smells like shit out here. Oh.
Your horse did that earlier.
Oh.
Your horse did that. I don't know how they do that when they're walking. They just let it go, you know? Yep.
No, it's just shit in front of my face.
And like,
Yeah, my knee is killing me, bruh. I had knee surgery a couple years ago, bruh, and this motherfucker is killing me riding this horse. But other than that, I'm really liking it. I'm liking it. I'm making this motherfucker speed up and shit. Look, this is my first time riding a horse, and as I was telling y'all, you know what I'm saying, in the car and whatever, I thought this was gonna be her first time riding a horse, but this is like her third or something. This is like her third time riding a horse or something. So, and you know, sorry if the camera is all bumpy and stuff, but yeah, this is like her third time riding a horse. But she wanted to go, so here we are. But yeah, I'm making a horse speed up and shit. I'm making clicking sounds with my mouth so it can gallop a little bit. I'm kicking it to the side, not hard, you know what I'm saying? Just stuff that I've learned, you know, watching movies and videos and stuff. But yeah, it's fun. I like it. The trails are cool too. The trails are real green. Got fruit all over the place. How you liking it?
huh?
How you liking it?
Love it.
Love it? And that's what's up.